I'll focus on my externship at CLS. And in that externship, I worked for the housing unit under the direct supervision of the attorneys there. And we basically defended tenants in eviction proceedings. 2 clients that I had with the same landlord, their landlord had the property foreclosed on and was still trying to collect rent from these tenants. And he was a bully. He called them in the middle of the night. He would bang on their doors, telling them to pay him rent. He even shut off water at one point to the units in the building that weren't paying rent. And our clients were rightfully saying that we can't pay you rent. You don't own the building anymore. It was foreclosed upon. He tried to work through intimidation because he knew he didn't have the legal argument on his side. And being able to represent clients who are understandably scared and who are very, very firm in their convictions that what they're doing is right, that's a sort of empowering experience that I did not get in another class at law school, in a lecture class at law school. And that is my fondest memory, is probably the judge telling the defendant landlord, you have no right to this rent, and what you've done to these people is despicable. And because even though there's no monetary value on those words from a judge, but there's this enormous emotional value and personal value for the tenants, the people that we were representing, to know that their stand had been validated, that a court had said, you're right, you were doing the right thing all along, and what he did was wrong.